Hello, I am Rhonda J, and welcome to my quick and easy tutorial on how to create an Etsy banner. In this tutorial, I will use a blank banner background from DIY Shop Banners, which is one of my Etsy shops. The blank background is a JPEG file, so in order to add text, we will need to use photo or imaging editing software. Today I'm going to use the Pixlr editor, which is on pixlr.com, and that's Pixlr.com. This is an online photo editor, so there's no additional software or anything you will need to download in order to use it. So to get started, we're going to click up here on Pixlr editor. Then we're going to go to Open Image from Computer. I'm going to locate my blank background, which as you can see here is the Christmas PS1 blank. And I'm going to double click to open. Now let's increase the size of my workspace. I'm just going to click in the right bottom corner and just drag it down. Give me a little more space to work with. And as you can see here, this is my blank banner background. It has no text. So to add text, we're going to come over here to the type tool, which is this little A icon over here under tools. And now we're going to click on the banner and click just about here. And we're going to type in my shop name. And today I'm going to do a holiday banner for one of my other Etsy shops, Design It Simple. Okay, so now let's change the font style. Let's change the font. Let's see, I like to use the font Alice for a lot of my banners. And now let's increase the size. It's a good size. Now over here under style, you have the option to make it bold, to italic, bold or italic. Today I think I'm going to leave my text just regular. Now I want to change the color. So I'm going to click on the little black box under color. And I'm going to move my cursor over here. And as you see, once I move my cursor over here on top of my banner, it changes. Changes from an arrow to an eyedropper. And I'm going to click on this shade of red over here on the peppermint. That's the color I would like to use. And it automatically populates in the color selector. I'm going to click OK. And as you can see, Design It Simple is now red instead of black. No, while I still have this text editor open, I'm going to move Design It Simple just by clicking and dragging on it. And I'm just going to drag it over just a little. Try and center it. There we go. And now I'm going to add my second row of text here, my second line. And I'm going to make sure that my type tool is still selected. Then I'm going to click down here on the bottom. And usually on my banners I will include a shop tagline or slogan. But today, since I'm doing a holiday banner for Design It Simple, I'm going to type Merry Christmas. Oops. Okay. So now I'm going to go through the same steps again. I'm going to select my font. Going to, this time I'm going to make the size a little smaller. And I think this time I will bold it just to make it stand out a little bit more. And I'm going to choose green for the color. Now I'm going to move this down and over here. Okay. And I do believe everything looks good. However, if you still needed to adjust your placement of your text, you can come back over here and click on the Move tool under Tools. And over here on layers, it shows that my Merry Christmas is selected, so I'm able to move it. But if I wanted to move the shop name, Design It Simple, I would just select Design It Simple over here on layers, and then click and drag where I would like for it to be. So once you're happy with the placement of your text, now it's time to save your banner to your computer. So we're going to go here and click on File and then Save. Now let's enter in a name for our file. We don't want to use the original file name because we want to keep our blank banner file so that we can use for other projects. And this one I'm going to name Holiday Banner. Design It Simple. The format you leave on JPEG, and quality, we're going to increase the quality of our banner just a little bit. But before we do, we want to keep an eye on the size of the file down here. It's currently at 48. We don't want to go over 80. If you go over 80, you'll get an error message on Etsy when you try to upload it. So move it over to 91. 91 is a good quality. Size is going to be 75, so that's definitely under 80. Then we're going to click OK, and this is a banner I've done previously. So I'm going to do this one as Holiday Banner, Design It Simple 2. I'm going to click Save. So our image is now saved. Now let's get it uploaded to our shop. So back over here on the front of my shop, you see my existing banner. If you have a main banner already loaded, it'd be a good idea to save your banner. I'm using Firefox, so I can just right click on the banner and then do Save Image As and save it to my computer. So then that way, when I'm ready to remove my holiday banner, I still have my main banner. Etsy does not keep your banners once you change it. So now let's go ahead and get our new banner uploaded. We come over here to where it says Your Shop, and instead of Design It Simple, it should be your shop name. So move our mouse over there and a drop down screen will appear. And then we go down to Info and Appearance and click. Now we click on the Browse button, navigate to where your file is, and ours is How to Create. So this is the new banner we will be uploading. And then we're going to scroll all the way down here and click on Save Image, Save Changes to make sure that our banner is saved. And you'll see it display here, our new banner file. Now, to make sure that the change went into effect, we'll click here on our shop front, on the little shop icon, and now you can see this is our new banner uploaded. So you learn how to add text to your banner background, and if you don't have a banner background, well, you can visit my shop, DIY Shop Banners, and I have tons of different banners, not just holiday banners, but I have a variety. I have sale banners over here. So if you want to promote a special sale, you have this banner to announce your sale. And then we also have a variety of other styles such as abstract designs. We have some elegant ones over here. And then I also have some fun banner designs over here. And over here under fun, underneath my fun designs, you'll see that I also have blank shop sets available. So if you would like to do a whole complete shop set for your Etsy shop, here you go. Well, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found the information helpful, and thank you for taking the time to watch.